Hello guys, today I will show you how to install hound tool in your Kali Linux in Android. So must first make your terminal update and upgrade. For making your terminal update and upgrade, you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. Afterwards press enter. Okay, afterwards copy the command, this command. I given this command in my Telegram channel guys, so please visit there and copy it and paste it in your terminal. Okay, copy this command. Okay, copy the first command and get clone. Okay, sorry guys, duplicate of, I want to give the space here. Okay, and clone it here. I already installed this one guys, so that's why it's showing for me like this. Hold on guys, sorry, I have to give the space here also. Okay, see guys, I already installed this one, that's why it's showing for me like this. After that, copy the second command, copy it and paste it in your terminal. See the cd, now you are in the hound directory. See, afterwards copy the third command, copy it and paste it in your terminal. Okay, and press enter. So in this video I'll show only installation process here guys. If you want a full practical video of this tool, you can join in my Telegram channel guys. So thanks for watching.
Yeah.